participating with a touch of nervousness. As the father of the bride, I am privileged and deeply honored to stand before you and share a few heartfelt words on this momentous occasion. From the moment Jennifer graced our lives with her presence, she became the shining light that brightened our world.
Wow! Whoa! Ricky, Jennifer.
I can still vividly recall the day she took her first steps. A determined little toddler with the biggest smile on her face, embarking on a journey to conquer the world one wobbly steps at a time. It was evident that she was destined for remarkable things. Today I look upon her walking down the aisle with a smile that radiated to all present. I am reminded of a charming anecdote that perfectly captured her enchanting personality. At the age of 3, Jennifer decided she wanted to be a singer. Whether I played or simply going about her day, you could hear her belting out made-up lyrics, singing her heart out like a true diva in the making. Her voice echoed through the house, leaving us in awe and maybe reaching for our earplugs. But it was an unmistakable sign of the passion that she has always driven her. Oh, and who would forget another one of her multifaceted dreams? She struck a deal with her mom that if she finished her dermatology school, we'd open a bakery for her.
You do what?
You open a bakery for her.
Who would want a singing baking dermatologist? Jennifer's boundless creativity and determination have always been a delightful part of her personality. Jennifer, my love, as I stand here today, looking at the incredible woman you have become, I am utterly amazed by your unwavering pursuit of dreams. Just like that fearless 3-year-old singing sensation, you've never shied away from reaching to the star.
Bravo.
My friend Stephen.
That was a good one. My friend Steven.
Be careful, Steve.
Like,
You not only won her heart, but also our admiration and love.
nice. Whoa.
Your kindness and unwavering support have been a constant source of joy. You've proven to to be a wonderful addition to our family in every way. And we're genuinely grateful for you. As you embark on this journey together, may your love grow together, and may your days be filled with happiness and laughter. Please cherish the treasure that you found in each other. To all of you, our guests, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to you for being a part of this unforgettable day. Your presence truly enhances the magic of this celebration. Cheers to you all, and thank you for being with us tonight.